Good morning, sir.
How are you this morning?
I'm excellent.
Sit please. Before we start the lesson, we will start by praying. Finish. Thank you very much. Anybody absent today? Dimas. Okay. One and mulai pelajaran. Are you ready with the game? Yes. Okay. The game is like this. Please, everybody, stand up. Please find your school tools. Okay. After that, take it and then come forward and then put them on the table. Okay. Please watch it. I will give you 30 seconds. Okay, finish. Now turn around. I will cover with cloth. Now you can mention the things with your hand. Yeah. Yes, Dimas?
Eraser.
Eraser. Yes. Pen. Correction pen. Yes. My questions. Next. Karakteristiknya atau ciri-cirinya. Orange. What else? Yes. Green. Small. Big. Yes. Okay, guys. Today we learn how to describe things. Dan nanti endingnya adalah kalian bisa menuliskan deskripsi terhadap suatu benda. Sekarang kita akan melihat video.
I lost my purse.
Okay, what does it look like?
It's black. It's made of leather.
Is it a brand name purse?
Yes. It's a Gucci bag. It has gold buckles. It's about 30 centimeters long and 45 centimeters wide.
Where did you lose it?
I think I forgot it in the dressing room when I was trying on a new blouse.
When was that?
It was about 30 minutes ago. I just noticed it now.
What was inside?
My wallet, my credit cards, and my car keys.
That's terrible. Can you please fill out this form? If we find it, we will call you right away.
Okay, is it clear? What kind of thing that they lose? Apa yang hilang? Purse. Sorry, what is the color of that purse?
Black.
Apa yang ada di dalamnya? ID card, money, terus satunya key. Kita review sedikit tentang itu. Pertama dengan determiners ya. Determiner, yang kedua opinion. Next, size. Size like this ya, describe how big or small or nouns. Number 4 is age. Itu umur. Shape. Apa itu shape? Bentuk. Yes, good ya. Jadi bisa mendeskripsikan suatu bentuk ya. Color. Yes. Next is origin. Origin is used to describe where is noun is from. Seperti materials itu terbuat dari ya. What a noun is made of. Yang terakhir itu used to describe what noun is used for. Determiner, opinion, physical description, size, age, shape, color, dan seterusnya. A cheap brown book. A cheap brown book. Nah, ini kita akan melihat materi
English lessons.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's English mini lesson. Hang on, mini English lesson? How do you know what order to put the adjectives in? There's a specific adjective order that we always use. The best way to remember it is using an acronym. So the acronym is orange skies and shady clouds on my pillar. The first word is orange. Now that's going to stand for opinion. What we think of an object is going to come first because that's the most important thing. The second is skies. Now that's going to stand for size. Skies, size. It rhymes. How big or small something is. The third, and, stands for age. How old is something? Is it young? The fourth is shady. Now that is the shape of something. Is it rectangular? Is it oval? Is it round? So the fifth word is clouds. Now that stands for color. It's like red, blue, magenta. Magenta even a color? Let's just roll with it. Next word is on. Now that's going to stand for origin. Where does this thing come from? Where does this person come from? What is their nationality? Are they Greek, like me? Are they French, like you? Who knows? The M in Y is for material. What is it made of? Is it cloth? Is it plastic? Is it ceramic? The last word in our acronym was pillar. Now that stands for purpose. Why do we use this object? Is it a sleeping bag? Is it a frying pan? So, orange skies and shady clouds on my pillar. First, so let's have a look at our acronym again. Orange skies and shady clouds on my pillar. Number one, expensive. That's an opinion. For some people, something is expensive, for others, it isn't. Number two, new. That's the age. Number three, black. That's obviously the color. Number four, leather, the material. So it's an expensive, new, black leather jacket. So that concludes our lesson today, guys.
Start from opinion. Yeah. Opinions. And then the next one is size. That's good. Terus age, shape, and then color. Yes. Origin, material.
Orange and shady clouds on my pillow.
Jelas itu nanti dalam mendeskripsikan suatu benda, ya. Is there any question? It is clear. If it is clear, I will check that you really understand or not by doing some exercises, and then I will share the quizzes. Okay, let's check your handphone. I will share the link of quizzes. Any question? 1 minute. Nah, sekarang competition ya. Second worksheet. Okay, now let me check together. Berarti a popular American flag. Apakah ada pertanyaan? Jadi sekali lagi, when you want to describe things, you have to remember the acronym. Is it clear? Is there any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Oke, kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, sedikit refleksi. Tadi apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Descriptions of, mendeskripsikan apa? Benda. Sekali lagi ya. Itu nanti di meeting berikutnya kita akan mendeskripsikan tools, anything, ya, benda ditulis ya. Misalnya head, misalnya doll, deskripsikan ya. Terus kemudian ditulis. Nanti kita berkreasi atau bersenang-senang dengan media Canva. Ya. Deskripsikan benda yang ada di sekitar kita. Video dulu ya. This is about descriptions of things. Have a look to that video, and then later I will ask some questions.
What did you buy at the shop, John?
Try to guess. The first thing I bought is white. It's made of plastic and metal. It needs electricity to work. It is used for keeping the room cool.
Is it a fan?
Correct. The last thing I bought is a brown powder, and it is used for giving us energy.
You bought coffee.
Correct. Correct.
Yes. Oke, jelas ya. Ini contoh mendeskripsikan benda ya. Jadi mendeskripsikannya nanti seperti itu ya. Ciri-cirinya seperti apa ya? ciri-ciri dari benda tersebut secara spesifik seperti ini. Kalau dalam teks seperti ini ya. Oke, coba lihat dengan cepat. Yang dideskripsikan di sini apa ini?
Smartphone.
Smartphone. What is smartphone? Jadi menjelaskan tentang HP tersebut secara spesifik ya. Nah, yang paling penting ketika mendeskripsikan benda adalah ini ya. Bahwa yang akan dideskripsikan itu jelas. Thing. Menggunakan adjektif tadi. Terus menggunakan simple present tense. Terus action verb. Ya, itu ya. Sekarang masuk ke student activity. Student make a group. Jadi nanti masuk ke dalam kelompok ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nextnya student find. Nanti kalian menemukan benda yang kamu anggap menjadi benda kesayangan. Kemudian student describe that thing. Kemudian students make descriptive text with media Canva. Apakah ada pertanyaan sampai di sini? Diskusinya. Yuk silakan move. 2 menit kasih waktu. Yuk silakan ngobrol-ngobrol, temukan barang kesukaanmu. Head, topi. Oke, head. Oke, ini tadi head, ini tadi bracelet. Nah, kalau sini udah ketemu belum? Kata apa? Tas. Ya, di sini tas. Cincin. Sudah bisa. Apa? Coba lihat. Coba lihat. Oke ya, bagus. Oke, apakah ada pertanyaan di masing-masing kelompok? Semuanya. Bisa dari warnanya, bentuknya ya tadi 8 adjektif tadi ya. Oke guys, is it clear? Semuanya jelas ya? Masuk dalam kelompok, temukan barang, didiskusikan, terus nanti ditulis ya. Beberapa sudah mulai ke ending ya, sudah terjadi dan sudah hampir selesai. Nah, nanti tinggal dilanjutkan ya. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Oke. Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, saya lanjutkan ya. Silahkan jawab pertanyaan saya. Apa yang kamu dapatkan di pelajaran hari ini? Ya, kita sudah masuk ke dalam mendeskripsikan benda. Kalau kemarin belajar bagaimana mendeskripsikan benda, sekarang sudah ke realitas merealisasikan mendeskripsikan benda terhadap benda-benda yang kalian suka. Betul? Ya, apakah menyenangkan? Apakah ada kendala? Yes. Ingat dosa si komputer nakal dan satu lagi orange skies and shady clouds on my pillow. Ya, itu urut-urutan untuk menjelaskan atau mendeskripsikan ya, gitu ya. Kita melihat ya. Jangan pernah menyerah karena ini inovasi baru ya. Jadi nanti berikutnya next meeting ya, kalau bisa kita menggunakan media yang ada ya, Canva, infografis, tadi quizzes ya, kemarin quizzes, kemudian Kahoot, kemudian Google Classroom dan seterusnya ya. Oke. Apakah ada pertanyaan? Cukup? Hasilnya, karena ini waktunya terbatas, hasilnya bisa dikirimkan ke saya ya. Hasil tulisannya mendeskripsikan suatu benda. Tadi ada yang doll, ada yang tas tadi ya. Sama lagi ya. Itu nanti dikirim ke saya. Saya tunggu paling lambat hari Jumat ya. Siap? Jumat. Minggu ini, bukan minggu depan. Is there any question? Gak ada pertanyaan? Okay, thank you very much guys for this meeting. We will close our meeting with the prayer. Ya, kita tutup dengan berdoa. Okay, let's us pray.